Hello everyone. We are here to explain the summer vacation task of OS4. But before explaining the summer vacation task subject wise, it is very much important to note two things. First, you have to do all your work on loose sheets, and you will be given the marks which will be aggregated in the final exams. Let us explain English work. What you have to do in English, you have to write 150 words on each of the given topic, and the topics are how to keep clean Pakistan, importance of trees, my aim in life. And then you have to write the fables with morals, like you have to write stories of the shepherd boy and the wolf and the greedy dog. Next, you have to do work from the reader, The Great Expectation, and you have to read chapter number 3 and 4, and you have to do all the activities on the activity book. Page numbers are mentioned here, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, and 16. In SST, what you have to do, you have to make a booklet and you have to write five your favorite invention with pictures, and you have to write the inventors as well, the introduction of the inventor. And for maths, you have been given some of the questions and you have to make a model. In question number 2, you have to make a model of ascending and descending order. You have been given a few numbers. You have to make model using these numbers. You can use make model using thermocol, heart chart, anything of your choice. And next, you have to explain and solve the question number 1, the place value. Then we have write the number in expand form, predecessor and successor, and then you have to write in words the given numbers. Then here is the question, solve the following. Then you have to take 500 from each of the following. Then there is division, and again you have to write these numbers vertically and multiply all these numbers. For question number 10, you have to use the mass rule. For question number 11, you have to make the factors of all these numbers. Then you have to find out HCF of the following, and then you have been given some word problems. To solve all these problems, you will be provided some links. By using those links, you will be able to solve all of your maths work. For computer, you have to make a model of computer with the help of thermocol. Like you have to make a whole model, monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, all the components of the computer you have to make with the help of thermocol. Then you have to paste the pictures of input and output devices, and you also have to write their functioning. Then you have to make a chart that shows the uses of computer in the daily life. Now there is something for you to solve. You have to solve the all book work of chapter number 1, uses of computer in daily life. Chapter number 2, input and output devices. Chapter number 3, more about tux paint. And yes, chapter number 4, more KTurtle commands. Now for science, what you have to do, you have to paste leaves of 8 different plants on heart chart and you have to name them. Then you have to draw an animal and a plant cell to differentiate it obviously, and then you have to make paste the photos of healthy and junk food. Then you have to do all the book work pages related to chapter number human body, chapter number 1, 2 and 3, the human body, the plant world and the animal world. You have to do all the related works on your workbook. For Islamiyat, what you have to do, you have to make a booklet of Ahadith-e-Nabawi, at least 5 ahadith. You have to write 15 ahadith on a booklet that you will be made. And then you have to write few lines on the topic blessings of Allah. Then you have been given an instruction that you have to learn the given notes and do some written practice. And here in artwork, you have to work out page number 3 to 10, make a hut and decorate it with pencil shaving. Next, you have to make a birthday card and decorate it. And also you have to make a face mask of a clown with the help of heart charts, paper, elastic and the thread. Yes, now we'll explain some of the Urdu work. For Urdu, what you have to do, रोज़ाना अखबारात और किताबों का मुताला करें और कुछ एग्जांपल्स गिवन हैं जैसे नौनिहाल, हमदर्द, अंबिया कराम की कहानियाँ। रोज़ाना की सरगर्मियाँ एक डायरी में लिखें, लाइक यू हैव टू राइट एनी ऑफ योर एक्टिविटी इन द डायरी। नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू डू अल्फाज, मुख्तलिफ़ अल्फाज चुनकर इनके जुमले बनाएं, कम से कम 50 अल्फाज। वाहिद जमा मुज़क्कर मोनस अल्फाज के मुतरादिफ और अल्फाज के मुतज़ाद लिखने हैं 20-20। ये आपकी अपनी चॉइस है, कोई से भी 20-20 अल्फाज लेकर उनके ये सब वाहिद जमा मुज़क्कर मोनस अल्फाज मुतरादिफ और अल्फाज मुतज़ाद लिखने हैं। कुछ उन्वानात दिए गए हैं जैसे रमज़ानुल मुबारक, ईद उल फ़ितर, मेरा पसंदीदा खेल। इन पर आपको तख्लीकी लिखाई करनी है। और कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन हैं जैसे आपने नमाज की पाबंदी करनी है और इन तमाम नोट्स को आपने जो कि आपको प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं ज़ुबानी याद करना है और लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। गुड लक OS4।